2, 1, go.
All right, hi, I'm Brian McMahon again with Rocket Plumbing. I want to show you a second part of how we can do this cleaning here. So if you notice at the end of this is the Picote Maxi Miller machine. This is internal drain cleaning, new revolutionary tool we have. If you notice here, this is a brush device. So what I've already done here is descale this heavy. This was about heavy, like ½ inch of buildup of scale. And I've already gone through with the cyclone tool. This is the one that spreads out inside the tool and cleans it. Now I'm going to go through with a real finishing tool, like a brush. I'm going to show you how clean I can get this. So I'm going to put this guy in there, and I'm going to start doing the brushing. Now what I can do is practically polish the inside of your pipes. Once I've got it down and cleaned, I can now go inside here and completely polish those pipes and get them rid of a little of the dust that's sticking up here. This is essentially all the stuff that's built up inside of the pipe. So as I'm cleaning this here, I'm going to do it closer. We're going to pull this out. Okay, maybe we can get the flashlight in here. This thing is now, I'll take that, down to its original form. Once you blow that, look at that. The sidewall is so perfectly clean in here. This was a pipe that literally was like blocked up with like an inch and ½ inch to 1 inch thick of decay. And now I put my brush in here, I can clean the pipe in there. So you can kind of see what's going on in there, okay? So I can clean this up to almost to its original form and get you wall-to-wall cleaning and have you back in perfect shape again. If you have any more questions about inside drain cleaning, inside your pipes, that not only cleans the roots and cleans the blockage, but I can then clean the whole sidewalls of your pipe and restore them to original form, please give Rocket Plumbing a call. Thank you and have a great day.